What's up everyone? This is PayPal with Crypto Merchant Payments. In this video, we're going to be discussing why I'm selling my entire crypto portfolio for USDT, stocks, and gold, and getting out of the crypto space entirely. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I make new gold videos. Alright guys, obviously that's an April Fool's joke. I'm going to go to the grave with my cryptocurrency. I'm not going to drag you guys along for the entire video for an April Fool's joke like Graham Stephan did today. Over 10 minutes for an April Fool's joke. So today we are going to be discussing huge crypto news and going over the markets as well. I am delaying the gaming altcoin video. I will still be doing that. So if you guys didn't catch yesterday's video, I did announce that I'm going to be using the Webull platform for the stocks versus cryptocurrency series. Currently, Webull only has 4 cryptos, so we will be starting with those. We're going to keep the entire thing within the Webull platform. If you guys do want to sign up for Webull and get 2 free stocks, you can use the link in the video description, or just go to JRNYcrypto.com/Webull. So I will be buying some cryptocurrency related stocks in this video. We're going to start with $10,000 of stocks, $10,000 of crypto. And we're going to swing trade these throughout the year and see which one I can get to $100,000 first. We're going to see if we can do this by the end of 2021, but this could take longer since we are limited on the cryptocurrencies we can trade with, and stocks just don't perform the same way that cryptos do. So another series I'm going to be doing, very interested to get into some cryptocurrency related stocks as well, because we do have a lot of companies going public. We actually have news today of Coinbase going public. Article here stating Coinbase expects direct listing on April 14th. The San Francisco-based company could be the first crypto exchange to go public in the United States. Huge news here. I definitely want to pick some up of this. I'll probably be dollar cost averaging into Coinbase. There's definitely some other crypto companies I'm more interested in buying stocks for, like Voyager. Alright guys, so jumping into the crypto markets, the crypto space is looking great today. Pretty much everything is in the green. BNB is up 10%. At $330, getting close to its all-time high, where it briefly peaked out around $350 to $375. So BNB is very bullish, as I've been saying, more bullish than Ethereum, and that's because the Binance Smart Chain is solving that gas fee problem with Ethereum right now. Other Ethereum competitors are not solving that problem yet. They still have a lot of updates to go, like Cardano. So I do think Cardano will be taking the market share eventually, but for the meantime, I think BNB is going to have the spotlight, which is why we've seen that surge up 40% on the 7-day. Something else interesting here is Filecoin FIL has jumped into the top 10, up 121% on the 7-day here. Previously, Theta was in the top 10 very briefly. That is correcting since they did delay their mainnet. Litecoin is over $200 today. Polkadot's on the rise, up 5%, getting close to $40. So the crypto space is looking great in general. I definitely think we're going to be breaking that 2 trillion crypto global market cap for the first time very soon, which is huge for the crypto space. And historically, March has been a very bad month for the cryptocurrency space. So leading into April now, I think things are definitely going to be looking up, especially because we have a lot of companies working on offering crypto services and increasing crypto accessibility. So we also have Dogecoin hitting 6 cents again, up 13% right now. I'm going to go over some news on why this is rising. Elon Musk once again pumping Dogecoin. So if you guys are new to the crypto space, I definitely recommend going to my YouTube channel, checking out the cryptocurrency guides playlist here. Some great value here for free. Even if you aren't new to crypto, you can definitely find something useful in this cryptocurrency guides playlist. I definitely recommend getting as educated as possible in the cryptocurrency space before jumping into altcoins, especially the much smaller market cap altcoins. You want to know what you're doing and be prepared and know what you're looking for. And I will be doing some guides in the upcoming couple weeks on how I pick altcoins, what I look for, and other cryptocurrency guides as well. Alright guys, so jumping into the crypto news, Bitcoin closes 6 monthly green candles for the first time since 2013. Pretty massive, and that's when we had that small bull run for Bitcoin back in 2013. Bitcoin's last 6 monthly candles have closed green, tying its previous record streak for bullish monthly candles. And as you guys can see on this chart, just huge upsurge, straight green, no red candles in here. So Bitcoin has had tremendous growth over the past 6 months, as well as pretty much everything in the crypto space. Altcoins right now, specifically over the last month to 2 months, I've noticed in March have really been surging, which is why I'm really paying attention to altcoins, looking for those hidden gems. And I will be doing that pancake swap tutorial very soon. We're just finishing up our research and everything. So pancake swap, if you use that instead of Uniswap, you can do transactions for under $1 per transaction, while on Uniswap yesterday and today it was over $80 per transaction. And if you are buying a cryptocurrency with a lot of demand and a lot of transactions going through, it's very likely you're going to have some failed transactions as well, and then you still lose that gas fee and have to pay it again. So for most people, that's very inconvenient, and it's really closing the door to the masses getting in on a lot of these smaller cryptocurrencies, making people lose a lot of money as well. So April Bulls Day, Bitcoin just closed its best March and Q1 in 8 years. More bullish news here. So as I said, March has historically been a very bad month for crypto, but this March hasn't been nearly as bad as previous ones. Last March was one of the worst months for cryptocurrency to date. We had that huge market crash, over 50% for a lot of cryptos, even the ones that many people consider safer, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other top 10 cryptos just crashed and fell extremely quickly. So I did see Ethereum that night go down to $87. Bitcoin went down to $3,400. BNB went as low as $8, and today is over $300 per BNB, $330. A lot of people are still very bullish on this as well, since it is solving the gas fee problem. So things haven't been nearly as bad as they could have been. So for those that are new to the crypto space, just know it could be much worse. And you should definitely be prepared for that type of stuff, because eventually you will get a massive dip in the cryptocurrencies you're holding, and you should be very aware that that's going to happen in the crypto space. The crypto space is very volatile, and basically the higher profits you can get, that also means the harder it can crash at the same time. So if you are in crypto for massive profits, but you're not willing to take a 30 to 50% dip, then you probably should reconsider being in cryptocurrency, or just sticking to top 10 cryptos and earning passive income on those. All right, guys, so we're going to get into more detail on the Coinbase stock listing on April 14th, because I know a lot of people are interested in this, being the first exchange to have a public stock. Coinbase's Class A common stock is expected to trade on the NASDAQ Global Select Market under the ticker symbol COIN on April 14th. The crypto exchange has previously been expected to go public in March, but reportedly delayed its plans due to some fees. So the firm may have a $100 billion valuation at the time of its initial public offering, as suggested by the exchange's shares reportedly selling for up to $375 each in a private auction last month. So that's pretty crazy, a $100 billion valuation for Coinbase at its the time of launching. So there could be volatility with this depending on how the crypto space is doing. If the crypto space is booming in April and we see a new all-time high for Bitcoin, I definitely think this Coinbase stock is going to be surging as well. So we'll see how that goes. 100 billion is quite a lot, but comparing it to cryptocurrencies, 100 billion, we only have 2 cryptocurrencies here that are above 100 billion, which is just Ethereum and Bitcoin. Binance BNB being at 51 billion. So it does seem pretty high for me, especially at a launch. I'm not a huge fan of Coinbase, the exchange either. So personally, I'm not going to be buying a lot of Coinbase at the launch here. If the price does crash over time, I will be dollar cost averaging into it. But I do think there's better options for cryptocurrency stocks out there as well. We do have other huge companies going public that I do like better. So if you guys do want to start picking up some cryptocurrency company stocks, I do recommend getting signed up for Webull. It does take some time to get your wire transfer and your money in your account. I've been waiting over a week for that. So I will be launching that series very soon once I'm all set up. If you guys do want to sign up with my link, you will get 2 free stocks as well. It's going to be a random stock with a different value for each one, up to $1,800 value though if you do get lucky. So there will be a link for that in the video description. So to the literal moon, Elon Musk SpaceX tweet gives Dogecoin a 35% liftoff. Right on cue for April Fool's Day, Musk promises to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. But for hodlers, the resulting gains were anything but a joke. So the tweet here from Elon Musk: SpaceX is going to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. So this was at 3:25 a.m. This morning, which is crazy. Elon Musk is always tweeting about cryptocurrencies early morning, it seems like. So Dogecoin did have a pump from that, but it is dropping off now. So if we check the charts here on the 24-hour, we can see Dogecoin did peak out here at 7 cents and has since crashed back. A lot of Dogecoin holders taking profits, obviously, but the volume has picked up massively as well. So like I mentioned, the crypto global market cap is getting very close to $2 trillion, currently at $1.9 trillion, which is massive since we were barely under $1 trillion and barely broke $1 trillion for the first time ever. As you guys can see here, we've had a huge upward surge in crypto global market cap, making that previous bull run look like a tiny bump now, when previously that was a massive bull run. So each bull run will dwarf the previous one, in my opinion, and we're going to continue growing. Of course, we are going to probably enter a bear market at some point again. I don't think that's going to happen until 2022 though, and I do think that's when we're going to see the peak of this current bull market. There's just too much going on, and too many companies and institutions getting in for the bull market to start anytime soon. So the previous bull market here, end of 2017. So where we currently are, in my opinion, around $2 trillion is something similar to where we were around here, mid 2017. And I do think we're going to have steady growth throughout 2021 and then lead into massive FOMO, where we're going to have retail investors just buying up as much crypto as possible, and we're going to peak out at some point here. And I do think that peak could be $8 to $10 trillion, very possibly. More big news here: BlackRock SEC filings show $360,000 gained from Bitcoin futures. So BlackRock barely got into Bitcoin and crypto, so I'm not expecting this to be in the millions. But this is a great sign regardless. This is going to give confidence to other institutional investors to start getting in as well. This is also going to give confidence to BlackRock to go in heavier. So I do think it's going to have a snowball effect, and throughout 2021, we're going to get more and more institutions and retail investors piling into the crypto space, accumulating as much crypto as possible. Taking that crypto out of circulation while demand is increasing means the prices should be on a steady rise, and at some point when we do get a massive amount of FOMO is when we can be seeing a peak bull market. Alright guys, so that's it for today's crypto news and market update. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share the video anywhere on social media or with friends and family. Everything helps the channel grow, and I do really appreciate that. And like I said, I do have a lot of videos planned on huge topics that are coming up, like the pancake swap tutorial. We're going to have the top 10 crypto gaming altcoins video coming out, and I'm going to be giving my opinions on each coin as well, and kind of give you guys hints on which one I think have high profit potential. And then I do have some other huge stuff coming, like the stocks versus crypto series, and then an update on the 1K to 10K swing trading series as well on the Voyager app. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.